Dream Factory Foundation is an organization that creates educational tools and programs that empower youth, especially young women, from marginalized and low-income communities to be active participants of the economy instead of being a social burden. So our educational programs focus on developing skills in leadership, professional development, entrepreneurship, and digital technologies. You know, growing up as an only girl, I was sheltered and protected by my father. It's only when I went to the University of Cape Town where I started being involved in community work, and I was exposed to the conditions that young people are faced with every day. Lack of access to quality education, opportunities, poverty, and violence. And I knew that with what I had to do something. It inspired a burning zeal within me. The kind of change that we are seeing in the communities where we work is that we are seeing young people become social agents. They're starting their own organization, their own businesses. One of our biggest successes, I would say, is the fact that we started as a school roadshow and now we're an organization operating in 2 countries. It's both a success and also bring with it various challenges. My advice to someone that's starting the entrepreneurial path would be, make up your mind from the beginning to understand what kind of an entrepreneur are you. Some entrepreneurs simply want to sell a product or a service and it ends there. They want to make money and succeed in it. Some entrepreneurs, on the other hand, love starting businesses. And once they've started a business successfully, they move on to the next thing. So for them, the beginning, to be able to start something and begin it, that's the thrill for them. Some entrepreneurs, on the other hand, want to build a legacy. They want to build an organization that goes beyond themselves, beyond their lifetime. So my advice would be to you, make up your mind. What kind of an entrepreneur are you? And from that place, start your path. For me, winning this award would honestly be dedicated to my team. Last year was probably the hardest season of our time. We didn't have finances for months. I couldn't pay my staff. I lost teams because of it. But I also gained an incredible, faithful team that stuck with me through the hardest time. This award means that we made it. It means it was worth not giving up. Even though at the time it felt like we should have given up. We asked ourselves questions. Why did we begin in the first place? This award says it was worth it. Keep going. There's much more to come.